You can't get any bit of yolk or grease or anything in with your whites, or they won't whip up to a beautiful meringue later on. Oh, and don't throw away those yolks. We figured out a recipe for strawberry cheesecake creme brulee with the rest of the leftovers. Click on that link up there. Watch that video next. Yep, add in the fruit spread right on in there with the sugar, a couple of teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Oh yeah, that's a good one, that's a good one, that's a good one. Yep. Get that one. Absolutely not.
Refill!
Well, I'll be dipped in glitter glue. The t-shirt rack. Ooh. If you've ever made Swiss meringue buttercream, this is the same method. Whisk this until it reaches 160 degrees. It only takes like 5 minutes. And whisk this to stiff peaks. We whisk until the frosting is glossy and fluffy like strawberry clouds. But it also needs to cool down to under 90 degrees or it'll melt the whipped mascarpone we're putting in next. So just let it go. It'll cool. That's it! Whoa, yeah! Understated, honest, aspirational, and statistically impressive. Back already, huh? Didn't you two just buy Destiny jewelry? I thought so. Yep. And back over at this cloud frosting, whisk together the mascarpone cheese and vanilla. Add in the heavy cream in halves. It helps to loosen it up a bit so you get a smooth outcome. And whisk to soft peaks, mascarpone and cream. Now that's what I call dairy royalty. And this is the technical part. Add your boiled icing to the mascarpone and fold it in. If you go the other way, you are in jeopardy of deflating the meringue and you have to start all over again. Gentle folds only, sweetenings. We don't want to knock the fluff out of our frosting. We're shopping for a friend. She deserves hazard pay and commemorative apparel. She's gonna pretend she hates it and then wear it every shift. Huh? Exact change again. I'm starting to like you two. Come on back anytime now, you hear?